Why do only 0.001% of Himalayan wolves turn into humans? Let's uncover this ancient mystery. In a deep, secluded valley of the Himalayas lived a mystical wolf clan. Among them was a rare being destined for greatness. His name was Aaroh. Aaroh was born once every 1,000 years, a creature with the body of a wolf and the soul of a human. It was foretold that when 1,000 years passed, he would transform into a man. For 999 years, the clan protected him, taught him the ways of the wild, loyalty and strength. And now the 1,000th year had arrived. Under the full moon, the wolves gathered around the sacred stone. Moonlight bathed Aaroh's body, and his form began to shift. Fur faded into skin, claws turned into hands, and a young man emerged. As the transformation completed, the forest echoed with howls of celebration. The elder she-wolf, Jannat, placed her forehead against his hand and whispered, "You may now begin your true journey. But remember, you are our strength, our blessing,